you'll get the ticket that you're asking for. I'm sorry?
You heard me.
No, I didn't.
I just got off of work.
Stay in your car. Stay in your car.
I don't gotta stay in my car.
All right, so now.
I'm not under arrest.
Fight.
3 traffic violations, 1 decision to step out of a vehicle, and 1 allegation about who threw the first punch that this footage alone cannot resolve. What began as a routine highway stop became a collision between constitutional doctrine, state statute, and a sequence of choices that escalated faster than most people recognize, and the legal consequences were anything but routine.
5-star Victor Julia, 076. Will be west of GA on the white Volvo. Okay?
Yeah, you're driving faster than me. Like, what are you pulling me over? Like, what did I do? I got off of work just now.
So that just goes to show that you're not paying attention.
I
had
saw
to get in front of you.
I saw you.
Where'd you see, man? Just out of curiosity.
When I was driving, I seen you in front of me, and I seen the lights, and I'm like, okay, there's a Mustang. Let me.
Hey, you're right. I had to drive in front of you because you weren't pulling over. You know why? Because you got 2 headphones in your ear while you're driving. That's not allowed. My siren has been on for a very long time. I have gone. Listen to me. I have gone to the left of the lane.
That's a Mustang.
Doesn't matter. It's a police car with a very loud siren. Not only does it have 1, it has 2. And again, the reason why you can't hear it is you got 2 headphones in your ear, which is not allowed by state statute. Doesn't matter. You can't have 2. You know why you can't have 2? Because you can't hear the things going on around you. Case in point. That's not what I'm talking about. Like I said, case in point. No, you cannot. When I get done with you here, then you can. So, I have been behind you while you were going 80 miles an hour.
Give me a ticket, man.
I need your license.
Just give me a ticket.
I need your license.
Don't
worry, you're going to get it. You'll get the ticket that you're asking for. I'm sorry?
You heard me.
No, I didn't.
I just got off of work.
Okay, and what does that have to do with it?
I want to go home, and you're pulling me over because I'm driving on the highway?
This isn't a highway.
Whatever. It's called the Beeline Highway. How am I supposed to know what it's the Beeline Highway? Is that not what it's called?
You're going 80 and a 55, and you were going 80 and a 60 before you passed PGA.
Okay, everybody goes 80 around here, bro. Look at the cars that just passed. Hey, and then you want to look at me like I'm like, bro, I'm trying to go home, bro.
So let me tell you everything that's wrong.
You're in a Mustang driving fast as shit, and you're trying to pull me over?
Okay, well, good news is it's all on video, so feel free to take it to court. Registration, insurance.
Jesus Christ.
No, my name's Deputy Parent, not Jesus Christ.
I don't care what your name is, bro. This motherfucker gonna pull me over because you're driving it too fast.
Because you're speeding. You're going 80 and a 55.
How am I speeding, bro?
It's pretty easy. You see that right foot? You see the right pedal? It's long and skinny.
Look at every car that just passed. Scan these motherfuckers. See how fast you're going.
I have been. You were the fastest one in the group.
Stop.
Okay.
I was behind you.
No, you weren't.
I went around you.
Right.
Because you were in the middle of the road. I don't know what you were doing.
I just got done with a traffic stop.
Exactly.
So obviously my lights were on. So then you went around me. That's when it was 60. So you continue to speed after seeing it was a police car. You obviously do. So let me get the registration, insurance, and I'll get you out of here.
Pull me over.
If you don't give it to me, I'll write you a ticket for those 2.
Write me up for what?
No problem. You ain't giving it to me. I asked you 5 times. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. No, don't worry about it. Good. Stay in your car. Stay in your car.
I don't gotta stay in my car.
All right, so now,
I'm not under arrest, bro.
Stay in your car because you're not in control of this.
I'm not
Stay in your car.
arrest.
No, stop. Stay in your car. I'm telling you now. Stay in your car because you're gonna make. No, fuck this. Keep your hand in front of you.
Why are you?
Keep your hand in front of you. Get off of me, dude. I swear to God.
Get off of me, man.
Bro, I'm not playing with you. Get off of me. Get off, man. Oh, 3-2, start me another one. I gotta fight. Get off of me. Bro, get off of me, bro.
Nope.
I I told you I was just about to get you out here with some tickets. You'd be on your way.
Bro, get off of me, man. Bro, what are you doing?
Get on the ground.
I can't breathe, bro. Hold on.
Yeah, don't worry. Put your hand behind your back. I'm gonna let you sit up straight. So you can breathe. You're talking. Put your hand behind your back.
Bro,
Now grab me, fix it.
please get the shirt
Put
off.
your hand behind your back, and I'm gonna fix it.
Here we go. Good deal.
Listen, has been your problem since we started.
Oh my god. Bro, get the shirt. Hey. Get the shirt off my face. Get the shirt off my face.
I will, 1 second.
Oh my god, bro.
Problem is you don't run the stop. Let's turn it up.
I can't, bro.
You want it off your face? I'm trying to get it off your face. Lift it. Thank you. Move your hands to the back. Stay there so I can double log them.
Can I get up?
No, not yet.
God damn.
See how I can fit 2 fingers here? Means they ain't too tight. See how I can fit 2 fingers here? See that? Means they're not too tight. Just stay there for a minute. See where I started green light bar or something.
Punch me into it, bro.
Stay there, stay there. You're good.
It's hard to breathe down here.
So we'll sit you up straight so you don't lay on the ground.
Thank you.
On your butt, roll over. On 3, sit up straight on your butt. 1, 2, 3, right there. Yeah, thank you.
First aid, I got a little
I got somebody coming.
Can I stand up?
No, you can stay there.
Are these fellow police officers? Who are you guys?
No, they're just nice people who came to help me. Here's the deal. Here's the deal.
Are you Cuban?
Like I told you, you're stopped for going 80 and 55.
I understand that.
Right, I'm glad you do. So
I
listen
just
to me.
got off of work.
I've been behind you, my lights on for a very long
It's
time.
hard to tell. It's a Mustang. It's like
Good
like.
news is, like I said, I've gone left and right so you can see my lights. I've turned my siren on a lot.
Dude, bro.
Okay? With that being said, that means you get the opportunity to see it. Aside of that, you can't drive with your headphones on so you can hear the things around you. Like a police siren. That's how you stay in the car. You stay in the car. You don't tell me you don't go anywhere because you're not under arrest. Because guess what? Now you are under arrest.
How? You punched me first.
I told you to get back in the car.
I was under
Hey, you
arrest when I got out the car.
You're right, but now you are.
See, it doesn't make any sense.
Somebody just told you was fighting over there.
Are we good to go?
Yeah, appreciate
All right,
it.
man.
Thank you very much.
Good luck.
Thank you. Have a good one.
man.
Appreciate it. Have a good one. I thought I did, but I guess they're gonna come out. Yeah, I did. Well, if it didn't, can you call me in, please? Thank you.
telling us
What?
to get us away from that other traffic stop.
Oh, really? Somebody came up to you?
Yeah.
I got on the radio. I guess it didn't come out.
No, I didn't hear you at all, bro.
He told me nothing came out either, so I tried.
What you got, Austin, on? Resist and
Yeah.
battery?
Yeah.
Battery lead. Put him back in my car.
Thanks, Eric.
Florida law provided 3 independent grounds for this stop. Florida Statute 316.183 governs unlawful speed. Florida Statute 316.126 requires yielding to authorized emergency vehicles. Florida Statute 304 prohibits driving with listening devices covering both ears. Each violation stands alone as sufficient probable cause. All 3 existed simultaneously before the officer reached the window. Florida Statute 304 is a strict liability traffic offense. 1 earbud is permitted under Florida law. 2 are not. The statute's purpose is strictly functional. Driver who cannot perceive emergency sirens is a direct public safety hazard. In this encounter, the bilateral headphone use directly caused the failure to yield, meaning a single act produced violations under 2 separate statutes at the same moment. Pennsylvania versus Mims, decided by the Supreme Court in 1977, established that officers may control occupant movement during a lawful traffic stop on officer safety grounds alone, including directing a driver to remain inside the vehicle. The subject's repeated refusal to comply was not a protected right. It was documented non-compliance with a lawful order, and it fundamentally changed the legal trajectory of the encounter. Graham versus Connor, decided in 1989, governs every use of force in American law enforcement. Reasonableness is evaluated from the perspective of the officer at the exact moment of the decision, not in hindsight. 3 factors control the analysis: the severity of the underlying offense, whether the subject poses an immediate threat, and whether the subject is actively resisting. All 3 factors were documented and present when force was applied. Resisting an officer with violence under Florida Statute 843.1 is a 3rd-degree felony. Battery on a law enforcement officer under Florida Statute 784.7 is also a 3rd-degree felony. Each carries a maximum of 5 years under Florida law. What began as civil traffic infractions escalated into felony criminal exposure within minutes of the driver stepping outside the vehicle against lawful instruction. Miranda versus Arizona from 1966 requires rights advisement before any custodial interrogation. The Supreme Court clarified in Berkmer versus McCarty in 1984 that routine traffic stops are not custodial. Miranda does not apply to roadside questioning before arrest. However, once a formal arrest is made and the subject is physically detained, the custodial threshold is crossed and Miranda applies to any interrogation that follows without exception. The arresting officer's on-camera uncertainty about whether Miranda was delivered creates a documented suppression issue. Courts have consistently held that where the record is ambiguous and the officer cannot confirm advisement, statements obtained post-arrest are subject to exclusion. This is not a procedural technicality. It is a potential foundation for eliminating the prosecution's own evidence before trial even begins. 3 lessons this encounter makes concrete. First, under Florida law, remaining in the vehicle during a traffic stop is a lawful requirement, not an option the driver controls. Second, physical resistance to any lawful detention creates immediate felony exposure, regardless of whether the underlying stop feels justified to the person being stopped. Third, Miranda advisement must be confirmed, and documented on-camera ambiguity does not favor the prosecution. It eliminates its evidence. But one question this footage does not close: was the first physical contact a control technique or a deliberate strike? The subject stated it directly, on camera, under Graham versus Connor. That answer determines whether the use of force was lawful or whether it created its own constitutional violation. Add an unresolved Miranda record and charges with no known court outcome, and what appears to be a closed encounter remains an open legal question. The most decisive evidence may not be in this footage at all.